Great results take time that we often don't have. Welcome to the additional functions from Fagor Professional. In this video, we're going to prepare 2 dishes using overnight cooking. First of all, we'll make some barbecue lamb tacos, and then some veal shank baus. We'll start by preparing the marinade that we're going to use for the meat. First of all, we need to hydrate some dried chilies. Then we're going to toast some cinnamon, cumin powder, coriander seeds, and paprika in a frying pan. Now we'll crush it all together with some achete, chilies, olive oil, salt, white vinegar, garlic and onion. We'll pour this mixture over our meat and put it on a tray with some chopped vegetables, which will add some juices and flavour the lamb. We'll now go to the additional functions on our iCore and select Overnight Cooking. We'll set it to Lamb, Unsealed and the Gentle Delta setting. The iCore will adjust its settings according to our choices and automatically tell us when to add the lamb. When it's time to add the lamb, the iCore will also tell us we need to insert the EZ sensor. We'll use the EZ sensor positioner to cook the ribs to the perfect desired level. Now we're going to move on to our second recipe, veal shank baus. First of all, we'll chop up some carrots, onions and tomatoes. Then we'll season the meat with salt, black pepper, cinnamon, star anise, oil and wine. Next we'll use the mandoline to slice up some pickled gherkins, and after that we'll julienne an onion. As before, we go to additional functions and choose overnight cooking. This time we'll choose beef for the meat, add that it's a shank, and tell it we want to cook without sealing and at a medium delta setting. You can now leave the kitchen and the iCore will cook overnight without your supervision. This means you can go and enjoy all the other things that matter to you. It's time to enjoy innovative cuisine with an independent oven that cooks for you. You can have the confidence that when you return, everything will be cooked perfectly to the precise level you selected. When we come back to our kitchen, we will break up the meat and prepare the tacos. We will also top our baus with the sliced gherkins and onions. And now it's time to enjoy.